Good morning, guys. In front of me is Realme C67, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number. First of all, open your phone dialer, then enter keypad, and now provide a secret code, which is *# 06#. And here you've got device info with both IMEI numbers included. Tap on OK to exit. And now you can also open it via settings. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select about phone, and here mark status. And here you've got it, so you can smoothly read both IMEIs here. So this is it, this will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.